Welcome to InfoDoc RX, your healthcare information assistant in the cloud. InfoDoc RX is an informational medicine service that provides you access to live doctors to answer any questions, clarifications, opinions, explanations, and provide informational continuity of care that you are undergoing with your primary care physician in the US or your country. InfoDoc RX's goal is to enable you, the consumer, to manage your healthcare situation and is hence intended to supplement and not replace your actual medical doctor. Therefore, InfoDocs cannot provide diagnosis, prescriptions, or handle emergency medical situations. InfoDoc RX provides access to an array of experienced family physicians and specialists trained in prominent institutions in India and abroad with satisfaction ratings by customers like you. It provides continuity through case management and maintaining an information health record that can be shared with your personal doctors if appropriate. InfoDoc RX gives the most personalized experience available on the web today and hence is amenable to developing ongoing relationships with your InfoDocs much like you would with your regular doctors. All this at a cost that is less than that of a traditional copay. No insurance to deal with. The InfoDoc RX portal provides the tools on your personal computer to find a suitable InfoDoc, set up your medical history, schedule appointments, have a complete audio-video interaction like an office visit, share any information, documents to review, discuss, and use email interactions to follow up live visits. The InfoDoc will transcribe a session summary into your medical health record after every session, which can be shared with your medical doctor, and a full recording of your recent session is also available in the archives. If the need arises where time is of essence, then talk to an InfoDoc on call. With the rising costs of medical insurance, the decreasing involvement by doctors on a personal basis, consumer-driven healthcare is becoming the norm of the future. Let InfoDoc RX provide you the tools to better manage your healthcare situation, whether it be pediatrist, OB/GYN situations, subjective disease management like diabetes, second opinions, pre-surgical option evaluations, chronic disease management, or just a better awareness and knowledge of your own healthcare situation so that you can have a quality interaction with your personal medical doctor. At InfoDoc RX, your InfoDocs are always in and at your beck and call. Come, experience it for yourself.